So hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Inday Michelle. It's been a while guys, 2, 3 years or up to 4 years na hindi nyo ako naririnig dito at ayan, andito na naman ako. Kasi guys, madami pong pangyayari na naganap sa buhay ko na hindi ko talaga kontrolado. Kaya nga naman, kahit pati yung YouTube channel ko, dalawang Facebook page ko ay napabayaan ko na. Bago ako bumalik ng Pilipinas, nakamonetize lahat ng YouTube, ng Facebook page ko at itong YouTube channel ko. Kaso nga lang, mula nung dumating ako dito, naging busy, spend time with families, and of course, nanibago na naman, bagong trabaho, bagong oras, bagong schedule. Kaya naman talaga, nahirapan ako mag-adjust. Or hindi naman sa nahirapan, nag-a-adjust ako. At hindi ko naman alam kasi na pag hindi ka nag-upload ng video for 6 consecutive months, ay ma-demonetize yung channel mo at saka yung Facebook page mo. Kaya yun yung nangyari sa akin. Kasi hindi lahat ng, nung dumating ako sa Pinas, hindi lahat ng quality time ko sa family ko or kung ano mang pinagagawa ko dito ay naka-video. Lalo na nung pagdating ko dito, pagkalipas ng ilang buwan, ay dumating si Bagyong Odette. Walang kurente, walang tubig, walang internet, wala lahat. Kaya talaga patay yung negosyo natin. So, ayan, na-demonetize lahat. YouTube channel ko, dalawang Facebook page ko. At ngayon, sinilip ko yung YouTube channel ko. May isa akong video na nag-trending. Umabot siya ng 111,000 views. Yung iba, 18,000. Yung iba, nasa 15,000. At ang dami-daming comments. Sa isang video ko, umabot ng almost 1,000 comments, or let me just say almost 600 comments rather. And ang daming nagtatanong, daming humihingi ng tulong, humihingi ng tutorial kung paano gawin, paano ito gawin, paano ito ganyan. Kaso guys, patawad po at I do really apologize for all this kasi nga hindi ko na kayo pwede replyan because it was 2 to 3 years ago, 4 years ago already. So, pasensya na po guys, and I hope na okay lang po yung YouTube channels nyo or yung Facebook pages ninyo. Pero kahit ganun pa man, wala man akong mga videos or wala na akong mga uploads dito, ay nakikita ko pa rin yung lahat ng nag-comment dito sa video ko, nakikita ko pa rin kayo sa list of subscribers ko. So thank you so much sa walang sawang suporta kahit na-ignore ko ang mga comments nyo or hindi ako nakapag-reply sa mga comments nyo guys. And also, there are some of my friends from other countries, Saudi Arabia, India, Pakistan, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, who posted their comments here, and they're currently requesting for me to upload a video in full English version because they said they don't understand what I'm saying, they don't understand what I'm talking, and they cannot follow what I'm doing or based on that tutorial that I provided. So, guys, I will do my best since this will be my comeback here in my YouTube channel. I will going to upload a video in English and I will going to upload a video as well in Tagalog. Okay? Or if I will going to make a video in Filipino, I will just going to add a subtitle in English so that all of you guys can understand because almost 50% of my subscribers are from other countries actually, to be honest. Especially for this tutorial channel, tutorial videos, most of the comments, most of the likes and subscribers are from other countries. So I really do appreciate you guys for still supporting me or non-stop support here in my YouTube channel. And I will be glad to provide another tutorials after a few days once everything will be stable here in my end. Okay? Thank you so much guys. Have a good day and see you again. See you here in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye-bye to all of you guys. I love you all.